Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we will show you how to refresh Outlook email. This is helpful when the inbox is not updating or new emails are not appearing. Let's get started. On your Microsoft Outlook, for example, if you go to your mail and you are having trouble with messages not appearing in the inbox, you need to refresh it. To refresh your Outlook mail, all you have to do is click the refresh button in your browser. As you can see, it is now refreshing. Once the refresh is complete, your email will show the updated Outlook mail. This helps you manually refresh your Outlook inbox so you can sync new messages, fix loading issues, and make sure your email is up to date on the web app. And just like that, it is fixed with the new Outlook mail. That's how we refresh Outlook email. With this simple step, we can keep our inboxes updated and running smoothly.